Confirm. This is just example. And just example because we didn't bring money, so I'm just doing this one for you to know that there is powers. You see?
Please show me, please. I want to know in Naira. Because I need Naira because in Nigeria, you know, we are eating Naira, so I just want to see Naira currency too.
Okay.
Chief, you are so powerful. So powerful. I see it. I see it.
Look here.
Hey, Ghana.
You see him?
Chief Malam Zaki Sana.
You see that?
It's true. You are so powerful. You are so powerful.
You see that?
100 Naira, 50 Naira. I see it.
You see that?
10 Naira. I see it. I see it. I see it. I see it.
It's just
one day shall never end. One day shall never end. One day shall never end.
02427088.
Chief, so you will give this all money to me?
Yeah, it will be for you. Or you can call me 02444828816. Without this number, or you see my photo on social media, without 02427080 or 02444828816 is fraud. If you see my photo without this number, it's fraud. Thank you very much.
Have you seen all what Chief said? He said there are many people over in social media, I mean Facebook, they are using his pictures, frauding people. Many people complaining. Some are in Ghana, yeah, some are in Nigeria, USA, Cote d'Ivoire. They are all complaining that he take their money and drain down the work for him. But it's not him. So that you take care. If someone gives you a request on Facebook and using this picture, try to call that person on video call and see whether it's that chief or not. If it is not him, then don't send him anything or don't go with him. If not that, you fraud him. That's why Chief is trying to say he will give to you. So you should take good care.